Identified competence focus areas on core course for Bachelor of Science degree in Electrical and Computer Engineering that will be the question prepared from them. From those core courses common to all specializations are: the first one is Fundamentals of Electrical Engineering, second one Introduction to Computing, third Applied Electronics 1, fourth Signal and System Analysis, fifth Digital Logic Design, sixth Network Analysis and Synthesis, and the last one is Entrepreneurship for Engineers or Entrepreneurship. ስለዚህ ዛሬ Identified Competence Focus Areas in Core Course for Bachelor of Science Degree in Electrical and Computer Engineering Exit Examination የሚሉ ለኤግዚት ኤግዛሚኔሽን የተመረጡ ኮርሶች ቤዚክ ኮንተንት ተፈታኝ ተማሪዎች ለማንበብ ይመቻቸው ዘንድ ኮንተንቱ ምንድነው የሚል የኮርሶቹ ኦብጀክቲቭስ ምንድነው የሚለውን ለማየት ነው ሳይ ይሄን ይዘን መጣን ማለት ነው። ከመጀመሪያው ምንጀምር Fundamental of Electrical Engineering with course title Fundamental of Electrical Engineering BSc ማየት ያለብን ኮርስ ዲስክሪፕሽኑ ምንድነው የሚያካትት ኮርስ ኦብጀክቲቭ ኤንድ ኮምፒተንሲስ ምንድነው የሚይዝ የሚለውን ማየት ያስፈልጋል ማለት ነው። In Fundamental of Electrical and Computer Engineering with a prerequisite of Applied Mathematics 1, it's a course description. It contains and describes in detail electrical charge, voltage, current, power, electromagnetism, voltage sources, current sources, resistors, capacitor, inductor, Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's law, node analysis, loop analysis, source transformation, linearity and superposition, Thevenin and Norton theorems, mathematical development of response, first order and second order, analysis techniques, first response, mathematical development response of second order, and the like. እነዚህ በዝርዝር የያዘ ኮርስ ዲስክሪፕሽን ነው ማለት ነው። ያ ማለት ፋንዳሜንታል ኦፍ ኤሌክትሪካል ኢንጂነሪንግ በሙሉ እነዚህን ኮንተንቶች ይሸፍናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ኮርስ ኦብጀክቲቭ ምንድነው? እንደ ኮምፒተንሲው ምንድነው? መውጫ ፈተና ልንፈተን ስንዘጋጅ ምን መዘጋጀት አለብን የሚለውን የሚነግርን ፓርት ነው ይሄ ኮርስ ኦብጀክቲቭ ኤንድ ኮምፒተንሲ። የመጀመሪያው አንደርስታንድ ሰርኪዩት ቫሪያብል ፓራሜተር ዜር ቤዚክ ኤሌክትሮማግኔቲክ ፌኖሜና ሰርኪዩት ቫሪያብሉን ፓራሜተር ኤንድ ቤዚክ ኤሌክትሮማግኔቲክ ፌኖሜና በደንብ መረዳት ያስፈልጋል። this is the one that the course needs to be competent in the exam. ሁለተኛው understand and apply the fundamental and derived circuit laws theorems to the analysis of DC circuit. The third one understand the basic electromagnetic phenomena, circuit variable and parameters. And the fourth one understand and apply fundamental and derived circuit laws. The laws can be a fundamental law or a law that can be derived from fundamental law is derived law. Theorems to be analyzed of steady state, single phase and polyphase AC circuits. Be familiar with some simulation software for different circuits. These are the course objective and competencies to be competent in the exit exam for understanding and answering question of fundamental of electrical engineering in exit examination. The detailed course schedule with contact time. The first one is basics of circuit theory. እዚህ ጋር ምን ያካትታል? ኤሌክትሪክ ቻርጅ, what is charge, what is voltage, what is current, what is power, and review of electromagnetism. These contents are covered by basics of circuit theory. And in the second chapter, introductions of circuit elements. What are the circuit elements in fundamental of electrical engineering? Circuit elements: voltage sources, current source, resistor, capacitor, and inductor. The third one, circuit laws and analysis techniques. What are circuit laws and how we can analyze that circuit? The first one is Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's law, nodal analysis, loop analysis, source transformation, linear and superposition theorem, Thevenin and Norton theorem, maximum power transfer, and the like. Response of first order transient circuit. Introduction, mathematical development response equation analysis and techniques. በአጠቃላይ ፋንዳሜንታል ኦፍ ኤሌክትሪካል ኢንጂነሪንግ ወደ 10 ቻፕተሮች አሉት። እነዚህን ቻፕተሮች በደንብ ዲቴል ማየት ያስፈልጋል ማለት ነው። ዲቴል ማየት ያስፈልጋል። እነዚህን ዲቴል በማየት በቀላሉ በመረዳት ለኤግዚት ኤግዛም መውጫ ፈተና መዘጋጀት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ሪፈረንሶች አሉ። እነዚህ ሪፈረንሶች የመጀመሪያው ፋንዳሜንታል ኦፍ ኤሌክትሪካል ሰርኪዩት ነው። ሳቲኩ ኪዜ ቴክስት ቡክ፣ ኢንትሮዳክሽን ቱ ሰርኪዩት አናሊሲስ፣ ፋንዳሜንታል ኦፍ ኤሌክትሪካል ኢንጂነሪንግ፣ ኤሌክትሪካል ሰርኪዩት ፋንዳሜንታል፣ ቤዚክ ኢንጂነሪንግ ሰርኪዩት አናሊሲስ፣ ኢንጂነሪንግ ሰርኪዩት አናሊሲስ። እነዚህ መጽሐፎች ለዚህ ኮርስ በጣም ቤዚክ ናቸው ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው እና ቤዚክ ለኤግዚት ኤግዛሚኔሽን ይዘጋጅለታል ተብሎ የሚታሰበው ኢንትሮዳክሽን ቱ ኮምፒውቲንግ ነው። ኮምፒውቲንግ እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ the course distribution. This course covers programming fundamentals, a brief overview of basics of computers. What are the basics of computers? Students will be introduced to the program world in C++, the basic syntax and rules and concepts of C++ programming, functions, arrays and pointers, simple text file processing, input and output, introduction to the more advanced programming concept, and object-oriented programming. What are the course objectives? This is the main or the key point for studying exit exam. After successfully completed this course, the student should be able to 1. Identify major components of computer system, know the representation of information in the computers, draw flowchart for simple program problems, write a program using C++ for looping and conditioning problems, write a program by decomposing a problem using functions, use arrays and structures as a user-defined data type, use pointers to dynamically allocate memory, do simple input and output on text, applicate the advantages of OOP over the procedural programming. These are the main course objective to be competent in the exit exam. Course objective በደንብ መረዳት ከቻለ በቀላሉ ማንበብ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው fundamentals of computers, introduction, evolution, history of computer architecture basics, what are the basics, hardware and software components, representation of number in computer, binary number, binary arithmetics, indifferent base በመውሰድ የሚያሳየን ነው። fundamental of C++ programming, basics of programming, algorithm and flowchart and their difference, basics of C++, variables and assignments, declaration and initialization, input output, and the other array and structures, one-dimensional array, multi-dimensional array, accessing structure members, passing structure functions, assigning structures, and the other is pointers, file input outputs, and the like. እያለ እኛው ኮርስ በዚህ ይሸፈናል ማለት ነው። ሌላኛው applied electronics one with a course description, basics of semiconductor theory, semiconductor diode and their application, bipolar junction transistor, field effect transistor, amplifier frequency response, multi-stage amplifier, power amplifier, tuned amplifier. በቃ ኮርሱ ሙሉ ይሄ ማለት ነው። ሌላኛው what's the course objective and competency? The first one is to discuss basic concept of electronic circuit with the aid of characteristics curve and to introduce sample application and design guidelines of electronic circuits. The first chapter, basic semiconductors, charge carrier and solids, semiconductor, energy level, modification of rate, and the pin junctions. እነዚህን ያካተተ ነው የመጀመሪያው ቻፕተር። ሁለተኛው ቻፕተር semiconductor diodes and their applications. In this case, in this chapter, what are diodes and their application detail ማለት ነው። Ideal and practical diodes, terminal characteristics of diodes, physical operation of diodes, application of diodes, and special diode type are discussed in this chapter. Bipolar junction transistor with introduction, device structure and physical operation, current voltage characteristics. Bipolar junction transistor circuit at DC circuit, biasing or giving a supply to bipolar junction circuit amplifiers, small signal mode and operation, single stage BJT, and the BJT capacitance and high frequency models. This chapter. The other is BJT small signal amplifiers, field effect transistors, multi-stage amplifier, power amplifier, look, and there are references in this case, course policy and references. The other is signal system analysis. Signal system analysis with a course description and objective competencies. Course objective competencies to be acquired. 1. Enable students to understand any and apply the presentation, classification, characterization, and analysis of signal and system in time and frequency domain. There are two domains, time and frequency domain analysis. So a student who can analyze time and frequency domain of a signal can answer any question from this course with this course description. And the course, there are about 9 chapters. The first one, introduction, characterization, classification, and presentation, modeling of signal and system analysis. In this chapter, what signal, what is systems, how can we model, how can we classify, how can we characterize things. We can answer this question in this chapter. Signal approximations, orthogonal or orthonormal and base functions, error to signal error ratios, Fourier series, singularity, convolutional continuous time signal, modeling of electrical system and ordinary linear systems, Fourier transformer, applied mathematics 3, Laplace transformer and inverse Laplace transformer. Don't forget to remember the mathematical part of your study, starting from applied 1 to applied 3. These are course policy and course references. The other one is Phase-1 digital logic design with a course description and competency. Course competency. Look at competency. 1. Convert between decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal number systems. Differentiate different codes in digital system. Perform two-level logic minimization using Boolean algebra and Karnaugh maps minimization method. Analyze the properties and realization of the various logic gates. Perform binary addition and subtraction. Implement the Boolean function using NAND and NOR gates, where NAND gate is NOT gate plus AND gate and NOR gate is NOT gate plus OR gates. Incorporate medium-scale integrated circuits like decoder, encoder, multiplexer, etc. into circuit design. Differentiate and design combinational and sequential circuits. What are combinational circuits? What are sequential circuits? Combinational circuit and sequential circuits. All sequential circuit can be flip-flops or latches. Design and analyze clocked sequential circuits. Use various types of latches and flip-flops to build binary memory and counters. Perform asynchronous and synchronous sequential logic analysis. These are the main course objective and competence of digital logic design. And it have chapters, number of system operation and codes, look, decimal number, binary number, decimal to binary, binary 1 and second complement, sign to complement, signed number, hexadecimal, octal, BCD, logic gates, and the like. These are the detailed one. the detail one, and these are the references. The other one, the sixth one is network analysis synthesis. And the course objective and competency to be acquired in network analysis synthesis are: 1. Understand and apply the technique of modeling, analyzing, and design and synthesis of N-port positive and active electric networks and filter in classical and modern approaches. And these are the course description. In this course, there are introduction to network analysis synthesis, network transformer representation, element of reliability theory, synthesis of deriving points, synthesis of transfer function, active network and active and passive filters are the basic case. This course policy, and these are about 7 references for network analysis synthesis. The last one for the exit exam selected course is Entrepreneurship. And for this course, the course objective and competency to be acquired are: after the completion of this course, student will be able to: 1. Describe the process of innovation, technology transfer, and entrepreneurship as an active organizing from marketing needs. Understand how innovation and competency advantage contribution value to new business product and service. Understand the entrepreneurial traits and skills needed in entrepreneurship ventures, and through the development of business plan, evaluate the opportunity of selected venture ideas along with the constraints on its feasibility. These are course descriptions. ስለዚህ ለኤግዚት ኤግዛምስ ኮርስ ስንዘጋጅ ሪፈረንሶች ናቸው እነዚህ። ስንዘጋጅ እነዚህን በደንብ አድርገን መዘጋጀት ይጠበቅብናል ማለት ነው። እነዚህ የምታዩቸው የሁሉም ኮርሶች ኮርስ አውትላይን ከካሪኩለም ላይ የተወሰዱ ናቸው ዲቴል። ስለዚህ በደንብ ለመዘጋጀት ያገለግሏቸዋል ማለት ነው። ዶንት ፎርጌት ቱ ሼር፣ ሰብስክራይብ፣ ኮሜንት። ስለተከታተላችሁን እናመሰግናለን። በደንብ ማየት ያስፈልጋል። እነዚህ በደንብ ረጋ እያላችሁ ኮርስ ዲስክሪፕሽኑን በደንብ መውሰድ ይጠበቅባችኋል ማለት ነው። ሌሎች ዩኒቨርሲቲዎች ላሉት ጓደኞቻችሁም ሼር አድርጉት፣ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉት። ስለዚህ በቀላሉ ፈተናውን ለማለፍ እነዚህን መዘጋጀት ይጠበቅባችኋል ማለት ነው። በድጋሚ አመሰግናለሁ። ታንኪዩ